Monterey Jack coming live to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. Yeah, I'm right here in Studio 7. I'm going to send you out another true story. Happened right here in Las Vegas and surrounding areas like Mt Charleston, Valley of Fire, Cathedral Canyon, and the list goes on. So, let's do another little Mt Charleston gig. We're in town, several of us, friends together, and decided to go up to the mountains. It was starting to get dark and we were going to go sled riding. Yeah, real brilliant. So up on the mountain, there's all these cabins and there's hills, like especially people in Ohio and other places that have a lot of rolling hills. Yeah, it's kind of like what it was like up in the cabin area. So we had a four-wheel drive vehicle. So what we would do is the vehicle would pull us way up the hill as far as we could go. And these are winding roads, you know, like Horns Hill, for those of you in Ohio, New York. And yeah, going round and round like a horn. So we'd get on the sleds and we'd take off, and the only thing we could see was a porch light from cabins as we come around the curves, and also sparks from the runners of the sled in front of us, or in front of me anyway. And yeah, well, it was high speed. You do not want to mess up on this track because it is super fast with ice and snow, and round and round and round we'd go. And one time, after doing it several times, Mike and I went over the ridge, and boom, 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 boom. Oh man, it is rough riding down that ridge. Nothing but bumps and probably buried rocks and who knows what else. And yeah, it was really an experience not to experience. So yeah, those were the great rides. So they were a lot of fun coming around those corners, I'll tell you what. And we had that vehicle, we didn't even have to walk back up. We just hold on to the back of it and it'd take us right back up to the top. So that was pretty fun thing to do back in the day, young and crazy. Yeah. So that's what I got to say today. I'm still having my first cup of coffee. I don't know what you guys are doing because you never tell me. But yeah, you can email me suggestions and etc. Because why I'm doing these stories is I'd like to get better with the green screen and with the other elements, mics and so forth, and lighting. Because I'd like to do some podcasting later on with maybe a little bit more serious stuff. So hang in there with me. Yeah, hang in there with me and we can ride the storm together. I don't know where that came from. Riders on the storm. Okay, this is Monterey Jack signing off. Wishing all of you happy, prosperous